Here we are at the Biker Garage, getting ready to go on a momentous occasion. One of my first rides. It is going to be done with a YouTube, with a GoPro. Funny. I'm going to try it this way. My buddy Wheelie Nick has got my clip mount. So, I'm going to try it, and here we are at the Biker Garage. A little quick look. It's sort of messy right now. Jimi Hendrix poster fell down on a motorcycle, fell down. But that one didn't. All my camping gear is all scattered around. Oh, look, and there's an old school. Oh, man. We'll do a reveal on that one later. This is my little crazy garage slash man cave. Hopefully we're going to hang some drones in here too pretty soon. And in place of those helicopters. And this is where I rock in the winter. When it's too cold to ride and I'm not done snowboarding, or it's just a windy day for snowboarding, is I rock in here, cleaning my bikes, working on them, just listening to music, whatever, chilling around. And so yeah, that's the story on that. I'm definitely sticking to it. And yeah, I'm gonna try this head thing out. We'll see how that works. We'll get a lot of snowboarding videos this way, or I might get a mount and put it on the side of my little snowboarding helmet. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. We'll see you on down the road. I'm gonna try this. There won't be no audio, so that might be a blessing. See you now.